Hi, this is Shubhabrata from Ethical Blogging, and in today's video I will show you how to install a WordPress plugin in your blog or website. So just after installing WordPress and activating a beautiful theme for your blog or website, you may want to know how to install a WordPress plugin right away. Before you begin, make sure you are using the self-hosted WordPress.org and not anything else, because you cannot install a plugin with a free WordPress.com site. There are multiple ways of how you can install a WordPress plugin. They are namely you can install a WordPress plugin using the WordPress repository search. You can also install a WordPress plugin by uploading it, and you can also install WordPress plugin manually. Manually means by using the FTP server. But in this video I am not going to show you two things. That number one, settings for the plugin, because they are highly customized for each and every plugin. And number two, I am not going to show you the third method, that is FTP method. Since this tutorial is aimed for the beginners and the FTP method is not beginner friendly, that's why I have decided to omit this section. Now let's get started. First of all, we need to log into our admin area and find out our dashboard. Here it is my dashboard for the blog Ethical Blogging. First of all, you need to find the plugin. It is here. Next, you will need to click on Add New button. For the sake of this video, I will be installing a plugin named Aweber Waveform. However, you can install your required plugin using the same method. This is the first method and the most easiest method of installing a WordPress plugin. First, just type your plugin name in the plugin search bar. Here we go, Aweber Waveform. Just wait while WordPress search is repository and give us the required plugin. Here it is. So click on install now. Wait while it is installing, and it is installed. Now you need to activate the plugin. It is very simple. It is a very simple process. If you need any help, you can comment below. I will do my best to help you. Plugin is now activated. Hope it is not so complicated for you. Now let's check the plugin here. Here it is. Now to show the second method, that is installing the plugin by uploading it, I need to delete this plugin. First, to delete this plugin, I need to first deactivate it. Wait while it is still deactivated, and then I will delete this plugin. So we can see that plugin is deactivated right now, and it is safe for us to delete the plugin as well. Click on OK. It is deleting. Now we'll go to the second method, that is installing a WordPress plugin by uploading it. To do this, you can follow the same steps, plugin, add new, or you can click here also. Here it is, upload plugin. Please note, you need to download your plugin from WordPress official site or any other site you may install in a .zip format. Now choose file, click on choose file, and download. For me, my in my machine, my plugin is here under compress, and here is this plugin. Click on open, and it is ready to upload here. Click on install now. So you can see that the plugin has been installed successfully, and we need to now activate the plugin right now. Please wait. I think it is taking a few seconds longer than usual, but it is okay. So now you are seeing a bar that says me to settings, update my settings. I am not going to cover this section as I mentioned before, because it changes differently from plugin to plugin. Okay, today's video we have learned how to install a WordPress plugin. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more. Thank you. Bye bye. I'm signing off right now.